Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. I am doing a little bit of organizing here. I got this divided case from Dollar Store. They were on sale for half price. And I wanted to add some of these little bits because some of my containers don't close like they should. I hate these things. They're great for storage and all, but they don't store quite what I need them to. Now these are just some like windows and regular frames and frame stickers. Those are chipboard. I don't know if I want to put those in there or not. But I do want the little frame stickers put in. For sure. I might put the chipboard frames in something different. Okay. But since the top, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to move you guys. Since the top of it is clear and it closes, snaps closed, I don't have to worry about it coming open or anything. And if I want to just remove a tray, I can use it. Let me get rid of the ones that don't work. Okay, now these are flower and plant stickers. Leaves mainly. And these are all flowers and plants also. I got some birds in there. Birds may not fit in that one. That's right, I got another container like this. I can put the birds in the big section. I got little like small butterflies. Separate those out by like small, medium. I don't mind having more than one section for butterflies because I do have a lot of butterflies. I don't know if those will fit. Those won't. That's okay, those are actually reserved to be used for something else anyway. So I'll keep those separate from these. hope you guys are doing well today. I'm doing well. I actually got 2 days off in a row, which doesn't happen very often because of the new schedules and stuff, which is fine. It is what it is. Okay. These are butterfly stickers. And those are of a particular type. Okay. And I'll still use those the ones that close properly, I'll still use those. But probably won't be using the ones that don't close, because, you know, put my little steampunk butterflies in there. Where are my moth stickers? I do have some moth stickers around here somewhere. That's my words. Here they are. Okay. There we go. And that closes beautifully. Set that over there for a second. I've just been needing to kind of streamline some of that a little bit. Now this one is set up differently, where it has the big spots on the other side and then one in the middle, which is completely fine too. Okay, my birds. Little border stickers. I should probably make the announcement that I've become a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So when it comes to card making, I have to show those products on camera. I personally am not really interested in selling Stampin' Up! Products, but I do want the discount because I do order from them. I love their inks. They are wonderful. Come in an array of colors. I'm sure some will probably be retiring soon, the colors I mean, as they do every year. Let's see, I can put my little clusters in there that I have made. Put those in there. Okay, I wanted my people stickers to be put over here. These little stickers. Okay. Excellent. And I've got tea cards I'm going to put over here on this side, because some of them have actual pictures on them too of people. dragonfly stickers. I think I'll put the other stamped elements in here with these, since they're all of the same type of thing, and I'll know that numbers are in there too. And put those stickers in with those. Kind of grungy stickers and labels. Move my birds up. Number labels. Okay. Put them on that side. And my fabric one's right here. Okay, I have other stickers. What is that? That's wallpaper. Not wallpaper, paint chips. Okay. These are my mini Timmy people. They can go in here too. There we go. Now I don't have to worry about them spilling out or anything else like that. That has condensed a whole lot of space. There. I think I'll keep my turtles in a box. And I can move some of these others over into the other containers that work really well. It says labels. Okay. So I think that's good. Those are things that I access frequently, so I can have them at the ready. Grungy numbers. Yeah. Perfect. Those are Halloween. I should put those in a section all by itself. Timmy stuff. Trying to keep all my Timmy stuff together in one section. So all that is together. And that can go in there. And those can sit right on top of my rolling cart. Excellent. And I'll do those later. I don't have to do those right now. That goes with Halloween stuff. And these are labels. numbers. Labels, yeah. These are numbers. Okay, this one works. Move those somewhere else, maybe into the kitchen. There we go. Labels. Let's say these were, that's paint chips. Halloween. Perfect. Now, so I've got my turtles. I got my breads. And I got my rusted numbers here. Still in my small tins. These get put in a separate section because they're going to be used for something else. So I got an idea for these for later. And that one. Alright, now I've got some more little empty ones. I love these for smaller things. So I've got some empty ones of those ready to go for other things. With other small embellishments and whatnot. And that keeps that clean. And it keeps the containers that I actually do use at the ready. Alright, excellent. Okay. I know it's kind of a random little video there, but you know, when the containers aren't working for you, you gotta do something else. But anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys back here really soon. Bye!